Good morning students. As in previous video I continued the chapter Weathering the Storm in Ersama, in which you have known how Prashant had gone to his friend's house to spend some days. But in the evening when super cyclone came, it had destroyed the lives of human beings, animal beings, and the trees were destroyed, the houses were washed away. Students, who have studied how Prashant had returned after 2 days from that place. He wanted to meet his family members, and anyhow he returned his village and found that there were only remains of houses. He had gone to the shelter that was organized by Red Cross Society, and he found his family members there, and 2,500 people were there in that shelter. You have studied how Prashant had taken the responsibility for the goodness, for the welfare of those people who were there in the shelter. You have studied how he had appointed many volunteers to look after the orphan children, and how he had managed food for them. Now students, 4 days has passed, then they had got their food with the help of Prashant. And further what happened, students? Let's see. At page number 41, please all of you open your book. At page number 41. As the weeks passed, students, in that shelter 1 week had passed. As the weeks passed, more than 1 week, as many weeks had passed there, Prashant was quick to recognize that the women and children were sinking deeper and deeper in their grief. Grief means sorrow, sadness. Grief means sorrow. Prashant found that the people living there were greatly sad. They were in deep sorrow. Then he persuaded the women to start working in the food for work program started by an NGO. He persuaded means convinced. Prashant convinced the people. Prashant convinced the women to start working in the food for work program started by an NGO. NGO, non-government organization. Non-government, by NGO, the program that was organized, Prashant advised the women to work there for food. And for the children, he organized the sports events. He had organized the sports events for the children, those who were in the shelter. Prashant engaged with he himself loved to play cricket, and so he organized cricket matches for children. He had organized cricket matches for the children, and he was also playing with them. Prashant engaged with other volunteers in helping the widows and children to pick up the broken pieces of their life. He helped the orphan children as well as the widow women. The initial government plan was to set up institutions for orphans and widows. The government had decided to establish the institutions for the orphan children as well as the widows, but Prashant opposed. The initial government plan was to set up institutions for orphans and widows. However, this step was successfully resisted. Opposed. Resisted means opposed. When the government had planned to establish the institutions for the children as well as the widows there, then Prashant opposed this plan. Why he had opposed this plan? Let's see the reason. As it was felt that in such institutions, children would grow up without love. He thought that if the government institutions would be established there, then the children would not get love. The orphan children would not get love, and the other reason, and widows would suffer from stigma and loneliness. Stigma means same disgrace. Prashant thought that in those institutions, the orphans would not get love, and the women, the widows, would feel disgrace, shame, and they would also feel loneliness. So Prashant neglected, he rejected this plan. Prashant's group believed orphans should be resettled in their own community itself, possibly in new foster adopted. Foster means adopted. Now students, Prashant had planned that the widow women should take the orphan children and look after them. This was the plan of Prashant. Prashant's group believed orphans should be resettled in their own community itself, possibly in new foster families made up of children widows and made up of childless widows and children without adult care. The childless widows that were there, they had adopted. He advised to adopt the children, those who were orphan, and to look after them. So he advised the widows to adopt the orphan and to look after them. See students, last paragraph. It is 6 months after the destruction means destruction. 6 months had passed when cyclone had come. Of the super cyclone, this time Prashant's wound had healed simply because he had no time to bother about his own pain. Healed, recovered. Now whatever pain in the heart of Prashant was, it had recovered because he had given something good for the. His handsome youthful face is what the widows and orphaned children of his village seek out most in their darkest hour of grief. Now students, Prashant was feeling happy as he had done something good for the people, for the children, for the women in that shelter. He had arranged education for them, and he had also arranged for sports to them, and the orphan children were adopted by the childless widows, and in this way he had done good for the people of his village in that shelter. Students, in this way this chapter is now completed, and you have to write the difficult word meanings and you have to revise the lesson up to this part. Means this lesson we have to revise. Another day I will discuss over the questions, over the exercise. Thank you students.